morning, class. Today we're going to review week 13. Week 13, you should be working on your survey research report paper, poster, and video. For week 13, you will need to turn in Appendix 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, in addition to, of course, your survey research report paper, your poster, a paper copy of your poster, and of course your video report. And all of these items are very similar to what you submitted for your Louisiana slave database. Now, in order to understand what it is you need to submit, go ahead and go to projects, and then you want to go to your SPS research report, and of course click here what items you need to submit for grading. Okay, let's look. By now, you should already have submitted your Appendix 1, which would have been your draft of your questionnaire, and received a grade for that. Appendix 2, which is the email approval. Appendix 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, what you'll be submitting this week as well for week 13, is the codebook file, the syntax files, the PDFs of your SPS data analysis, and your coding forms, and a list of graphs. Now, where do you find out how to do all this information? I'm going to show you that in a quick minute. But let me also mention, for some student versions of SPSS, it will not allow you to create syntax files. If you don't have the syntax files available on your version of SPSS, don't worry about it. It won't count against your grade. If you do have it, by all means, yes, turn it in. Okay, the items that go in your codebook. Let's look. There's two places you need to look. In the digital textbook, you'll find examples of the appendix items that you need to submit. Let's also look at the 300 appendix. And some of these items are here for you. For example, the data coding form that you're going to need to turn in. I'm going to click on it, and here's an example of it. Sorry, it's sideways. That's what that looks like. The codebook form, very important. And you've done a codebook form previously. Basically, it is a culmination of all the questions that make up your questionnaire. And of course, the variable, your demographic variables, your questionnaire items, so on and so forth. If you need additional pages, you can certainly download and print more. And this document, you can scan it, or you can and write it in by hand, and then you'll submit the copy for grading. Okay, let's see. Yes, so those are the two of the appendix actual forms that you will need. So let's go back. Gonna go back again. Not the best way to go back, but we'll do it anyway. Okay, so remember, you need to turn in the codebook, syntax files if you have it for SPSS, PDFs of your data analysis, and you need to look in the handbook here, which will talk about the PDFs that you need, or in the section, I'll make sure I get it right, your survey research instructions. If you click on that, open that document, which is also in the book, it goes through and it talks to you about what should be contained in your survey research report. Also, this is your list of graphs that you have to include in your survey research report. This is very, very easy. Here's the grading sheet, real easy to do. So, and that, my friends, is in the SPS survey research report. So that is pretty much week 13 in a nutshell. Because by now you should have received approval for your survey. You should have administered it to students and entered that data into SPSS. And you'll use this week to go ahead and start compiling the remaining portions of this assignment, your paper, poster, and video. If you have any questions at all, as always, please feel free to ask. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.